Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So today we will see how we can create our first program in Python. So for that I'm using VS Code IDE here. So let's jump into the video. Okay, so first we will create a new file. Okay, let's name it Hello World. Okay, go to the folder, create a new folder to save your programs. So I'm gonna create a new folder here with the name learn Python. Okay, great. Open create file. So now we have hello world file here. So we will use print. It's a built-in method in Python to print anything on the screen, and we will use double quotes as we are using strings right now. Okay, but but you can see it's not recognizing here, so we just need to update the extension of the file. Okay, go to the folder, we have a file type here, so rename it and just add .py. So now, okay, now you can see that it's a Python file now. So close it, open the folder here, go to the folder location. Okay, select folder. Okay, that's cool. So we have hello world.py file here. Okay, now we will just run here. Oh, okay. So you can see the output on the terminal. We have hello world. So let's edit here. This is Python. Okay, so run it again. Okay, hello world. This is Python. Okay, so just remove the last output, kill the terminal. Okay, hello world, this is Python. So it's very simple in Python, okay, to just print um, anything on your screen. Let's meet in our next video. Thank you for watching.